Are you struggling with a weak mobile signal on your Android device? In this video, we'll walk through over 10 easy tips to help you get a stronger, more reliable connection. A weak signal isn't just an inconvenience. It can cause dropped calls, slow internet speeds, and significantly faster battery drain as your phone works harder to maintain a connection. First, find your true signal strength. Go to Settings, then About Phone, Status, and finally SIM status. Remember, the signal is measured in dBm. Values closer to 0 indicate a stronger, better signal. A quick way to refresh your connection is to toggle airplane mode. Simply turn it on, wait about 15 seconds, and turn it off again. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. While 5G is the latest tech, it isn't always the most stable. If your connection feels jumpy or weak, try switching your network settings to 4G or LTE for a more consistent experience. Physical barriers like thick walls can block radio waves. If you're struggling, try moving closer to a window, going to a higher floor, or even stepping outside to see if your signal improves. Don't overlook your hardware. Sometimes a bulky metal case can interfere with reception. Additionally, try removing your SIM card, gently cleaning it, and reinserting it to ensure a solid connection. If you're indoors, utilize Wi-Fi calling. By enabling this in your SIM settings, your phone will use your home internet to make calls, effectively bypassing a weak cellular network. Software can also play a role. Resetting your network settings can clear out persistent bugs, and keeping your system software up to date ensures your phone's modem has the latest performance improvements. Be wary of apps claiming to boost your signal. They simply don't work. True signal improvement requires physical hardware, like a cell repeater, which needs an existing signal from the outside to function. Not sure where the problem lies? Run these simple tests. If the signal is strong outside but weak inside, it's likely your building. If it's weak across different phones, the issue might be with your carrier. To wrap up, try these top tips. Check your dBm, toggle airplane mode, switch to 4G, move toward a window, or enable Wi-Fi calling. We hope these steps help you stay connected.